Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to play an HEVC format video on your Windows computer. Now, if you don't know what HEVC format is, it's a format that you find on certain phones. For instance, I have an Android and the videos come out in HEVC format. Now, the problem is every time I transfer them from my phone to my computer, I can't play them on my computer. Now, I'm going to show you guys an easy way to fix that. First of all, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go to the folder that I have one of the videos in. I'm going to open that. I have a test video here. Now I'm going to right click on the video and go to Open With. Let's try Films and TV. As you can see, when you open it in here, it says missing codec. This item was encoded in a format that's not supported. 0xC00D5212 and send feedback. I'm going to close out of that and close this. Now I'm going to right click on it again and go to Open With and then Media Player. And then press the play button. Checking codec availability. You need a new codec to play this item. Codecs help the app read and play different files. Test requires the HEVC Video Extensions Codec pack available from the Microsoft Store. So if you want to get the codec, you can do that, but it's going to cost $1.29. So I'm going to go with Not Now. And I'm going to close this. All right, so as you can see, it doesn't work to open it on my computer. Now, the easiest way to fix this is you're going to go to the Microsoft Store. If you have an earlier version of Windows and you don't have a Microsoft Store, you're going to go to your web browser and search for it. Once you're in the Microsoft Store, you're going to search for VLC. And then click the search button. Looks like a little magnifying glass. All right, so I'm going to go with the first one. It's free. So I'm going to hover over it and click Install. Preparing to download, installing. So it says installed. So I'm going to go ahead and close the Microsoft Store. Now I'm going to right click on the video file and go Open With, and then go to VLC Media Player. It says Privacy and Network Access Policy. In order to protect your privacy, VLC Media Player does not collect personal data or transmit them, not even in anonymized form, to anyone. Nevertheless, VLC is able to automatically retrieve information about the media in your playlist from third-party internet-based services. This includes cover art, track names, artist names, and other metadata. Consequently, this may entail identifying some of your media files to third-party entities. Therefore, the VLC developers require your express consent from the media player to access the internet automatically. And then it says Network Access Policy. Allow metadata network access, which is checked off, and regularly check for VLC updates. I'm just going to leave those checked off and then click Continue. So as you can see, I can actually play the video in this program. And instead of just playing the audio, it plays the whole video. So now I'm going to close this. So that is how you play an HEVC video on your Windows computer. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.